Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Engel Völkers profile, detailed guide step by step clearly. To reset your Engel Völkers profile, begin by visiting the Engel Völkers login page. Enter your current username and password to access your account. If you cannot remember your password, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on this link to initiate the password reset process. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your account. After entering your email, check your inbox for a password reset email. Make sure to look in your spam or junk folder if you don't see it right away. Open the email and click on the link provided to reset your password. You will be directed to a secure page to create a new password. Enter your new password, ensuring it meets the security requirements. Confirm your new password by entering it again in the designated field. Once you've filled in both fields, click on the Submit or Reset Password button. After successfully resetting your password, return to the login page. Enter your username and the new password you just created. Log in to your Engel Völkers profile. If you want to update other profile information, navigate to the Account Settings section. Here, you can edit your personal details, contact information, and preferences. Make any changes necessary to keep your profile up to date. Now your Engel Völkers profile is successfully reset and updated. You can explore all the features available to you. Enjoy using your newly refreshed account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.